Hi everyone, welcome to the Best Buy blog. I'm Rachel and today I will be reviewing the Therabody Smart Goggles. Now if you're not familiar with this type of device, it's been designed to help relieve eye strain, headaches, facial tension, and just help you relax, especially if you're someone like me who stares at a screen all day. My first reaction when I unboxed the Smart Goggles are they're very sleek looking. The leather inside is extremely soft, which would be really nice on the eyes. There isn't a whole lot going on. There's just a few buttons on the top there, and it's a lot lighter than it looks, but I would definitely use it while laying down, as sitting up with it, it could become a little heavy. So the three main features with this particular smart eye mask is the massaging that it does through vibrations and heat, and the heart rate monitor that is inside the mask here. So here's the biometric intelligence sensor. So as long as this is put against your temple as you start a session, you're able to get an accurate heart rate measurement. You do have to do a session for at least 5 minutes to get an accurate measurement, but it gives you a measurement at the beginning of your session and at the end, so you're able to see how much your heart rate decreased as you started to relax more. So to turn on the mask, at the top here is the power button. All you have to do is press and hold it for about 3 seconds. It'll beep and it automatically just starts vibrating, as you'll be able to feel it. And when you're in a session, the great thing about this mask is that you're able to customize the settings to what you're comfortable with. So with this button, you can change the vibrations to either a pulse or a wave. And by pressing this button, you're able to adjust the heat settings. So you can make it hotter, warmer, or you can completely turn it off if you're not feeling the heat. Another cool thing about this mask is that there's 3 preset modes. So the first one is focus, then there's relax and sleep. So you can wear this mask through different times of your day depending on what you're attempting to do. So if you're just wanting to take a break from the screen and focus, you can do focus mode. If you're trying to get to sleep, you would choose sleep mode. To be honest, I didn't notice a big difference between the sessions in terms of the vibrations or the heat, but depending on what you're comfortable with and what you're trying to do throughout the day, you can change the settings. Overall, I really enjoyed this product. I wasn't sure at first what to expect because I've never used something like this before. But after a few sessions, I did start to feel myself relax, and I was able to see that my heart rate did decrease, which is pretty awesome. One thing that I love about this mask is that you have the option to use the app to customize your modes or your settings, or if you don't feel like using the app, you can just turn on the mask and use the default settings. So it's really made for anyone who wants to relieve any stress that's held in their face. If you want to learn more about this product, be sure to check out my full review on the Best Buy blog.